Just started up my furnace. I went ahead and leak checked all the fittings to make sure they're right. I heard someone else talking about 2.75 on the gauge. There's a good good pressure on there. I messed with this a little bit. The slide to get the air mixture sounds really good there. I don't know if you can hear it. That sounds about right. I only have a couple minutes to mess with this today. If you guys have any pointers, leave them in the comments. And there's they didn't say anything about like a break-in period or something with this. Seems to be going good. Yeah, leave in the comments if you have any pointers for me. They see I'm doing wrong here. There wasn't much of any instructions besides putting everything together. Yeah, hoping getting this when I have some more time here. Have to get running to work here soon. All right, thanks all. Yeah, I wanted to add a couple more things to this video. Came with this crucible. So you can see it has, looks like it kind of cones into a spot there. They had this on the website on sale, so I went and got this, but it doesn't have that little, I don't know if you can see, it doesn't have that little dip in there like this one does in the center and the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. It has like a little dip in it. Also came with these cheesy, really cheesy gloves. Mike Vendetta said go ahead and get some better ones. I've had these welding gloves for a while. They've been really good. Did some stick welding with these, so I think those are pretty good. But you guys let me know. Appreciate it. Have a good one.